tudo bem? Adrieli here, and in this video you're going to do a pronunciation practice, okay? So you're going to talk about the sounds of letter C, os sons da letra C. Ready to do that? Let's do it. So guys, os sons da letra C. One important thing to know, it's the letter C can be pronounced differently, with a different sound, depending on where it is, before which vowel it is, okay? So before the vowels A, O, and U, A, O, and U, we pronounce it with the sound K, K, okay? K. So you'd say boca, boca, which is mouth, boca. Try yourself, boca. Then we pronounce casamento, casamento. It's a wedding, so try yourself, casamento. Then we pronounce with O, we pronounce escolha, escolha, co, okay? Escolha, it's choice. Try yourself, escolha. Very well. Coragem, 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 it's bravery. Try yourself, coragem, coragem. And then with letter U, we say cunhado, cunhado, it's brother-in-law. And then escutar, escutar, it's to hear. Try yourself, cunhado, cunhado. And escutar, escutar. Very good. Before the vowels E and I, E, because in Portuguese the letter I is called E, we say the sound of S, okay? So we say cebola, cebola. It's not quebola, it's cebola. It's onion, okay? So try yourself, cebola, cebola. Then we have acender, acender, which is to turn on. Acender, acender. Try yourself, acender. Good. Then cinema, cinema, which means movie theater. Cinema. Try yourself, cinema, cinema. And the last one is essencial, 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 which is essential. Try yourself with me, essencial, essencial, essential. Very good, guys. It was a very good practice. And then I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to click on the like button and to share this video with your friends because probably they need to learn this too. Okay? See you. Ciao, ciao.